How to uninstall all mods in Cyberpunk 2077. So if you want to uninstall all mods in Cyberpunk 2077, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. You can open up your Steam because you will install all of your games from your Steam, right? So you can go with your browser or your Steam application if you have. You need to go with the official website and make sure that you've logged into your account. Once you've logged in, now you need to search for Cyberpunk 2077. And once you have the game, you need to just simply go and uninstall the game. After uninstalling the game, then you'll be able to delete or uninstall all of the mods from your Cyberpunk, and you can again go and reinstall the game from your Steam. So once you reinstall the game, it will delete or uninstall all of the mods that you have before. So that's the way to uninstall all mods in Cyberpunk. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.